If you were hurt because of medical malpractice, you probably have a lot of questions and not a lot of answers. This is a story about someone who's been in your place and what they had to do to get their life back. This is from a medical malpractice case. The only thing we've done is change the victim's name. Now, the first thing to keep in mind, it's not just doctors that can be responsible for medical malpractice. Nurses and even technicians can also be just as culpable when it comes to medical malpractice. In this case, Joy started having headaches and some dizziness, so her doctor ordered a CT scan in 2003. Now, according to the radiologist, everything looked normal, so Joy just learned to deal with the headaches and the dizziness. Now, 6 years later, the pain and the dizziness got gradually worse. Her doctor ordered another CT scan. Only this time, they found a brain tumor, which would have showed up in the first scan if the radiologist hadn't missed it. Only now the tumor was much bigger, and the brain surgery will be a lot more dangerous and difficult. Joy had the surgery. She had no choice. But because of the time that was wasted, there were side effects. Now, because a larger piece of her brain had to be removed, Joy started noticing some things were wrong. She had blurry vision in her left eye, and she developed facial palsy that affects some of the nerves in her face. And Joy had spent years dealing with headaches and dizziness she should never had if the radiologist had done his job. The blurry vision Joy could deal with, but facial palsy is something else entirely. The nerves that control the facial muscles can cause weakness, even paralysis on one side of her face. Now, when she looked in a mirror, she got mad and she decided to talk to an attorney who specialized in medical malpractice lawsuits. Joy's like most of us. We're not sure about our rights or even who to ask. Now, we don't have time to go into what Joy's attorney did to help. Visit our site for her full story. But if this happens to you, you need somebody who knows the law and will fight for what you have coming. Someone just like us. So don't wait. Call us now.